everybody, it's Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House, and I'm here for some spectacular savings. We have our customer specials that go through November 1st. So follow along and see what you can be saving for the next few weeks. The treat for you is that there is no regular price purchase required. So the deal is the price as you see it. Our first customer special is our cute little 2.5 quart Vida 5-ply 1.5 quart casserole. Vida retails for $214.95. You're saving $60 on special for $154.95. This one in here is in our pH Cook Solutions. It has the measurements on the bottom, so that way you save time and save, because you don't have to do the dishes, for your measurement on your teaspoon. And it's 12 inches in diameter. This one here is 8 quarts. The one that's on special is 9.5 quarts. This one is saving you $60. It's on special for $149.95. As you know from watching me in previous videos, this is our high power blender. It does your dips and spreads, your hot soups, and your smoothies. It is 1500 watts of power. It has been our most popular seller in the last 6 years. You're saving $180. It's on special for $459. So make sure, if this is something that you want to have, you actually qualify as your own party. So you're going to earn all the host rewards. So reach out to me so that way you can get this. And also qualify for all the host rewards. Do you like jewelry for your stove? How about our stainless steel kettle? It is absolutely beautiful. 1810 stainless steel, has the silicone around the handle. It actually whistles for you, so you know that it is ready for you to actually pour that beautiful hot tea water for you. It has the beautiful etching on the lid. Seals tight, so that way all the water is going to stay in there and not bubble over on you. Saving you $55 right now, on special for $79.95. Cup of tea. Another special we have right now, and aren't these just adorable? I absolutely love them. These are our cute little limoncello. Teacup and saucers in the Marbella collection. Aren't they just gorgeous? Absolutely love them. You're going to get 4 of the saucers and 4 of the teacups for $89.95, saving you $60. And these are not in the catalog, so you're going to want to get these now. Espresso lover for your coffee? Well, I have our new espresso coffee maker. It's the first time as a customer special for you right now. On sale for $69.95, saving you $30. Espresso, anyone? This is our Marbella oil and vinegar cruet. It has the detail on the bottom, comes with the stopper here. It also comes with the cute little decals, so you can put the O and the V on there, so that way you know which one's your oil, which one your vinegar. But the great thing about this is actually you can use it in your bathroom or in your kitchen for the sink for your soap dispenser, because it is going to come out easy, which is great. So it's on sale for one of them, not for the pair, on sale for $24.95, saving you $13. And this is another one you want to grab because it's not in the catalog. This is a perfect starter set for somebody. It is our 6-quart Dutch oven and our cute little 2-quart chef pan in the non-stick collection. Perfect to get you started in the kitchen, saving you $110. The set together is $179. This is a deal you definitely want to get. It's perfect for anybody starting out or somebody that wants to refresh some of their cookware. So this tool is one of my most used tools in my kitchen. This is the saute tool in the gray. They retired this color and we only have it in the navy. It's a customer special right now, saving you $10 on special for $19.95. You won't believe how much you use it until you start using it. I absolutely love it. This is our Vida cook and air fryer oven. This is actually from my kitchen. I use it all the time. It has 14 programmable buttons that are just so easy to use. I mostly use, honestly, I use the toaster one all the time, the bake the oven, the dehydrator, the broil. But let me just go down the line to 19 pre-programmable buttons that it has. It has the air fryer, the toast, the fries, the veggies, the bacon, steak, chicken, fish, bone-in, pizza, bake, dehydrator, broil, reheat. It is amazing. It does so much and replaces so many other appliances in your kitchen that you are just going to love it. I absolutely love it. We use it all the time. This is something that every home should have in their kitchen and in their campers. It is one to get. If you do decide to get it, it also counts as a party and you earn all the host rewards as well. Put this one on your list for your holidays shopping. So this item here is actually on, and it's on in my house all the time. It's actually usually over in the corner there. And this is our Princess House ActivePure Air Guardian Air Purification System. It actually is amazing. It helps eliminate odors. It helps with the viruses, the bacteria, mold, fungi, any gases, allergies in the home. I'm just going to read to you what it says in the book here. It says, an advanced active purification solution inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame. It eliminates odors and proactively protects both air and surface 24/7 against common indoor contaminants, including viruses, bacteria, mold, fungi, VOC gases, odors, and allergens. Proven to reduce 99.99% of airborne SARS-CoV-2, the viruses responsible for COVID-19, in just 1 minute. So this is definitely a tool for your home to keep you healthier and living longer. It's just amazing. So this one here is one that you should have for your home. There is a QR code here, and I'll zoom in on it as well, and maybe I'll put it there so you can find out more information about it. They don't have it on sale that often, and it's on sale right now, saving you $450. It does also count as a party. It's on sale for $349, and the QR code is here again. So that is another one that's on sale. They also have on sale the replacement parts, which is something once a year that you have to do for maintenance, and it is the ActivePure cell assemblies and the filter. So you're going to get 2 cell assemblies and 1 filter. Normally $350, you're going to get them for $199. So that's another sale item that you definitely want to get if you're going to invest in something like this for your home. All right, again, reach out to me to get this for your home. They brought back the disc. They did. This is one of the most popular items they had in the summertime. They sold so many of them. They wanted to make sure that you're able to get it again. I want to showcase it. It has the big, huge lid, the stainless steel griddle. It is huge. So that way you have the base here that you can grill everything in and then make it cool on the side. I do want to reiterate to you that this is something that you use outside. This can only be used outside with a round single gas propane burner and stand with a diameter of 19.5 or wider, and that stand is sold separately. You are saving $100, and it's on sale for $249. Special we have, and I will add on to this video a video that I have of this one because I don't have it with me anymore. This is our 32-quart Tamalera pan, and it's on special, saving you $100. It's on special for $299. As you can see, you can divide it. It has the divider, and you can divide it into 4 different sections. So you can cook 4 different tamales. It's our 32-quart pan. But the best is saved for last. They just announced again they're going to continue with our buy one, get the next for half off. The entire catalog is buy one item, get the next of equal or lesser value for half off. So now is the time, if you didn't take advantage of it, to get your sales in. So reach out to me, Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House, at plynch196@gmail.com, and I can help you get the customer specials that you have on your wish list. If this is getting forwarded to you from one of my team members, please reach out to them and they can help you as well. And remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye-bye.